Katrina Halili, ipinagkatiwala ang anak na si Katie sa Doc Rob's Chiropractic Wellness Clinic.
We are taking Katie to Doc Rob's kasi bata pa lang siya, gusto namin i-correct yung back. Napapansin namin na medyo kumukuba ng konti. And syempre, sasama ko si Kat din dito.
Gagawin ang lahat para sa anak. Ito ang ipinaramdam ng aktres na si Katrina Halili sa kanyang anak na si Katie na may mild autism spectrum disorder nang ipagkatiwala nito sa Doc Rob's Chiropractic Wellness Clinic. Sa post ng aktres, sinabi nito na ang ama ni Katie na si Chris Lawrence ang siyang instrumento kaya nakapunta sila sa clinic ni Doc Rob Walcher, ang American chiropractor na pusong Pinoy na rin. Ito ayon kay Katrina ay upang i-correct ang posture ni Katie at upang matanggal na ang back pain na nararamdaman nito lagi. Bagamat noong una ay may kaba, ngunit nanaig ang pusong ina ni Katrina para sa kanyang anak na gusto nito maging maayos na ang likod dahil may kaunting umbok.
Okay, so tagilid, harap sa akin.
Tagilid.
Don't go backwards, you'll fall.
There you go.
There you go. Don't worry, this is gonna be good for you.
Relax ka lang.
Relax lang,
Anak.
anak. Relax lang.
Relax lang, anak. Anak.
Very gentle.
Gentle lang. Anak.
Relax lang,
Okay,
baby.
hingang malalim, labas.
Hingang malalim.
Very
Hingang
gentle.
malalim. One.
Ooh,
done na.
did you hear that?
Oh, is it painful?
Did you hear that?
No. It's okay.
That's good.
And then kabila.
Kabila
That's
na, anak.
good.
Ah.
Good job, baby. Good job. You're doing good.
Here, very gentle.
Apo, apo. Ganyan lang, anak.
Up here. We're
Yan,
here. We're
ganyan,
here.
ganyan ka daw. Hug mo yung...
Okay, breathe in, hingang malalim.
Hinga malalim. Hinga, hinga.
We're here. We're
Inhale.
here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
Higa, face up for your posture. Because you're in Jokuba.
Yeah.
You wanna
Oh,
bring it
para...
back. And then I'm gonna just kind of put a little pressure, but it doesn't hurt. It feels good.
Feels
Be
good
okay,
daw,
okay?
love.
We're here, baby.
Breathe in.
Inhale.
Breathe
And
in.
exhale.
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 Labas.
Ma!
You
Oh
feel
my
that?
God. Yung love, sarap.
That's it.
Is it painful? No. Oh. Say,
Very
thank you,
good,
Doc.
very good. High
Say
five.
thank you, Doc.
It's not painful. I just
Did you
got
like it?
scared. Yes po. Did
You
you like
did?
it?
Maging si Katrina ay sumalang na rin sa session nang makita nitong nagustuhan ng anak ang pagpapakairo. Ayon sa aktres, may nararamdaman na rin siyang sakit sa kanyang likuran at sa hips kung kaya't nagpakairo na rin siya.
I'm just gonna bring your legs up. Good.
You feel better?
Here.
Feels good, right?
Here's a little bit off. That's just from years and years of 40 years of stress accumulation. Hingang malalim, labas. Good. I'm gonna apply a little pressure.
Okay ka lang? Yes, baby.
Just a little one there. T5 there. Great.
I'm okay, Katie.
Okay, let's go the other way.
Sarap mo eh. I like it, Katie.
Little higher, this will help that posture. Good. Okay, facing up. Good. Just relax.
It's okay. No! No! Okay, tilak ko. Sarap pala eh.
Last one right
This
here.
much.
Okay, good chin up.
Katie, look at me.
Carry me, carry me.
Look,
Look at me.
You carry me.
Here we're working on bringing the natural curve back. We want it to be like that.
Okay,
Look at your mom. Look.
done na.
Sorry.
Oh my God, Katie. Di naman pala masakit.
Sa kanyang Facebook account, nagpasalamat si Katrina kay Doc Rob dahil sa pag-aalaga sa kanilang dalawa ng kanyang anak.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh, hindi ka nakuba, anak. Straight body ka na.
Wow,
You're already
look.
taller. Matangkad.
You have to come back again, though, because we have to keep doing that, okay?
Okay. Done.
Masarap?
Yes.
Talaga?
Yes.
Yeah? Wow.
At iyan aking balita, ako si Attorney and you are watching The News Watch.